In the past, most customers were billed for electricity on a flat rate tariff, where they're charged the same rate for electricity used throughout the day. If you have a new smart meter in your switchboard that has a communication antenna, you may be able to switch to a time of use electricity tariff. Some households may be better off on a time of use electricity tariff without doing anything, while other households may be able to make a few changes to when they use appliances to reduce their electricity costs. Time of use electricity tariffs are designed so each household only pays for how much or how little electricity they use at various times throughout the day, with higher charges for electricity used during peak times. It's a bit like booking flights. If you book flights over the busy holiday season, like Christmas, you can expect to pay more than if you were to book flights during the off-peak season. For households on a time of use tariff, there are usually 3 different charging periods: off-peak, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m, peak, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m, and shoulder, 9 p.m. to 11 a.m. the next day. These time periods could be different depending on your electricity retailer, so check the times with them. On a time of use electricity tariff, your electricity bill will show how much electricity you consumed in kilowatt hours in each of those periods. For each of those periods, different electricity rates apply, with the 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. peak period the most expensive, the off-peak 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. period the cheapest, and the shoulder period 9 p.m. to 11 a.m. the next day a bit more expensive than the off-peak period. This is a general guide only, and you should check with your retailer how their rates are applied over a 24-hour period. You can save money by load shifting, by changing the time of day you use some appliances, and where possible using them less during the peak period. Your household could have lower electricity bills. Shifting appliances that use a lot of electricity away from the peak period, like your dishwasher, washing machine, clothes dryer or pool pump, will have the greatest impact on reducing your electricity bill. But we also suggest shifting small appliances to outside the peak period where you can. Using built-in timers on your appliances, or timers you can plug into your power points, is a great way to set and forget when these appliances run. Put a note on your fridge to remind everyone in your household when to run these appliances. Once you get used to adjusting when you run appliances to suit a time of use tariff, you will be on your way to making ongoing savings on your electricity bill. Talk to your electricity retailer today about time of use and other tariff options. For more on tariffs, visit our websites.